We are children. We cannot be sitting ducks. We cannot be victims.
You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Ooh.
It's time for change, time for reform. As future leaders, it is our responsibility to initiate the end of this violence.
We gon' walk it out and ooh, mountains, and I'll rise up, I'll
You are
rise
the living embodiment of what this country is really all about. People who finally got sick and tired and said enough is enough.
I'll do it 1,000 times again, and I'll rise up, I like the waves, I'll rise up, in spite of the ache.
My heart broke a few weeks ago, actually a month today, when I heard the news that 17 people were killed in a high school just like ours.
The silence isn't quiet, and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe. And I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet. Move mountains, bring it to its feet. Move mountains, and I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again.
My seniors, the rest of my classes, 80%. It has to end. I don't want to continue the competition and fear for my life.
Plenty of my friends have stepped up to help me, and I'm ready to do it for others.
Because this is a place where I want to sit here and learn and educate and make social interaction with people, make friends and memories. I should never have to think once about a school shooter breaking through a door.
RIP blocking over.
And sitting here and watching all this, it really is inspiring.
And today was truly a remarkable experience for me to see him do that.
And I hope that we can make an impact as a school.
Enough! Protect our school. We've had enough.
Better than yesterday.